Garage door disaster. You need to leave for work, but your garage door refuses to cooperate. Don't panic. That's where Fetters Garage Door Service comes to the rescue. We specialize in same-day repairs that get you back on track fast. Our expert technicians fix all major brands and types of garage doors. We're committed to getting you back on track as quickly as possible. Need springs replaced? Opener malfunctioning? We'll be there today. Fetters Garage Door Service, reliable, professional, and dedicated to same-day service. Don't let a broken garage door ruin your day. Call Fetters Garage Door Service now.